Sunrise paints the mountain high. Breathe the air, the endless sky. Down the hollers, rivers run, scouting trails beneath the sun. Appalachia calls our name, freedom spark, a burning flame. We chose the path where eagles fly, in the heart where dreams won't die. West Virginia Day, we stand and say, freedom's fire lights our way. Through the hills our voices ring, rock the soul, let the mountains sing. Oh, echoes of the miner's song strengthen us forever strong. From the valleys to the pines, our spirit climbs and intertwines, scouting every step we take for the future we will make. West Virginia Day, we stand and say, freedom's fire lights our way. Through the hills our voices ring, rock the soul, let the mountains sing. Raise your hands, feel the beat, heart and earth in rhythm meet. Every dream, every fight, guided by the mountain light. West Virginia Day, our home, our song, in freedom's arms we all belong.